Good morning everyone, my name is Tarun Pal Gandhi and today we will discuss about the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was a great scientist and was the former president of India. So stay tuned with us and watch the video till end. First of all, we will talk about his name. Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam was his full name. Today we will share the following content with you in this particular video. Introduction, birth, early life, education, work, struggling, presidency, invention, award, death and message. We will take all these points in details one by one in the following slides. Who was the person? Abul Pakir Jainuddin APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist and engineer who served as the President of India from 2002 to 2007. He is a man of vision who is always full of ideas aimed at the development of the country and is often also referred to as the Missile Man of India. People loved and respected him so much during his tenure as President that was popularly called as the People's President. He has also received the largest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1997. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. He was a great engineer. He was a professor. He was also an author and president and a good human being. About his birthplace, he was born in a small village, Rameshwaram, in Tamil Nadu. His early life. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, father Jainuddin was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque, and his mother Ashiyama was a housewife. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. As you can see in this particular picture, this is the family picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and right beside his mother he is sitting. Education. He completed his education at the Wards Higher Secondary School, Ramanathampuram. He graduated in physics in 1954 from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. In 1955 to study aerospace engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. He has worked in Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and also has worked in Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Struggling time. He was failed in launching SLV-3 for the first time. He owned the responsibility for the failure of the project, but finally he achieved success in the next time. He became the 11th President of India on 25th July 2002. Presidency. 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. Kalam served as the 11th President, an electoral vote of 9,22,884. He known as People's President. He was also the first scientist and the first bachelor to occupy the Rashtrapati Bhavan. As you can see in this picture, Vladimir Putin and Manmohan Singh with Kalam is standing and having a conversation. Invention. He has invented satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. He has also completed the Project Devil and Project Valiant. He invented Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV and SLV-3 projects, and he has also invented Agni and Prithvi missiles. There are so many books written on his life, and he has written so many books as well. Songs. He has written My National Prayer, Song of Youth, My Song, Glory of Chhattisgarh, etc. during his lifespan. Now, this is the award list. In 1981, he was awarded with Padma Bhushan by Government of India. In 1990, Padma Vibhushan. In 1994, Distinguished Fellow by Institute of Directors, India. In 1997, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna Award by Government of India. In 1997, Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration by Indian National Congress. In 1998, Veer Savarkar Award by Government of India. In 2000, Ramanuj Award by Alvars Research Center, Chennai. In 2007, Honorary Doctorate of Science by University of Wolverhampton, UK. In 2007, Honorary Doctorate of Science and Technology by Carnegie Mellon University. In 2009, Honorary Doctorate by Auckland University. In 2009, International Von Karman Wings Award, California Institute of Technology, USA. In 2010, he has won Doctor of Engineering by University of Waterloo. In 2011, IEEE Honorary Membership by IEEE. Death. On 27th July 2015. Kalam traveled to Shillong to deliver a lecture on creating a livable planet Earth at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. At around 6:30 p.m., according to Indian Standard Time, only 5 minutes into his lecture, he collapsed. He was rushed to the nearly Bethany Hospital in a critical condition. Upon arrival, he lacked a pulse or any other sign of life. Despite being placed in the intensive care unit, Kalam was confirmed dead of a sudden cardiac arrest at 7:45 p.m. according to Indian Standard Time. His last words to his aide Srijanpal Singh were reportedly, "Funny guy, are you doing well?" He has said, "Dreams is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep." So this is it for today, and thank you so much for listening and watching. God bless you all. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in future. Thank you so much.